Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will set up our Phantom wallet and I'll show you guys how you can create your Phantom wallet. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. Now let's just jump on to our video. So we've opened Phantom's website. When we click on download, you can see we can download Phantom for desktop. We can also download it for mobile. But in this video, I'll show you guys how you can set up your Phantom wallet for Google Chrome. But with the same method, you can set up your wallet on any of the browsers. You can see here, Brave, Firefox, and Edge. So we clicked on Chrome, and as you see, we should add Phantom's extension to our Chrome. Add extension. And as you see, we've added the Phantom wallet extension to our Chrome. And now we're going to create a new wallet. This option is for if you already have a wallet, you can use this option to import or export your wallet. Now let's click on create a new wallet. We have to set up a password. I suggest you to set up a strong password and then save it on physical world. Write it down on a paper because if you lose access to your devices and if you lose your password and the secret phrases I'm going to show you after this step, you'll lose your wallet. I suggest you to be careful about that. So we've set up our password. It says medium because I chose just an easy one because this is an example. I'm not going to use this wallet. I'm just showing you guys, but my actual wallet, this password is long and strong. So let's continue. Now we're gonna have to copy and remember all of these secret recovery phrases if you don't want to lose your wallet, which we don't want to lose our wallet. So we're gonna click on this. I saved my secret recovery phrase and we're all done. As you see, you can follow the Phantom Twitter page on their Twitter. You can visit the help center. Now let's click on finish. And when we head to our extensions part on right top of our screen, we can see Phantom. And when we click on this little pin, you can see we can access to our Phantom wallet. And this is my wallet's name. This part shows how many tokens or how much money I got in my wallet. We can store NFTs in this part. If you have any NFTs, Solana based NFTs, you can collect your NFTs and hold your NFTs in this part. You can withdraw and deposit NFTs to your wallet. You can use the swap feature of the Phantom wallet. You can swap any of these tokens. And here in this lightning button, we can see our recent activities. We just created this wallet, so we don't have any recent activity. But if you send or deposit or withdraw any money, you will see your transactions here. And you can change display language, address book. This one is for if you're only making transactions with certain wallets, you can use this address book to identify those wallets. We can configure our trusted applications. This way we can say, I trust these apps, I don't trust that apps. It makes the process easy. We can change our wallet's password. We can change the network. We can also reset our secret recovery phrases, export our private key, and change our wallet's name. For this one, let's just name it our channel's name. As you see, I named it our channel's name with double E and double R. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. I hope this video was useful. I will upload more videos in the future about Phantom wallet and Phantom wallet's details. But for now, I hope this video was useful. I suggest you to check out our MetaMask video if you haven't already, because in that video we showed you guys how you can set up your MetaMask wallet. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next video.